Hello, welcome back to Data Analytics with Imani. Feeling lost in Excel's interface? In today's tutorial, I'm breaking down every single tab in Excel's ribbon so you know exactly where to find every tool you need. By the end of this video, you'll navigate Excel like a pro. Excel Interface Overview. When you open Excel, you see several key components. First, the ribbon. This is your toolbar at the top with all your commands organized into tabs. Second, the name box. This shows your current cell location. Right now, I'm in cell A1. Third, the formula bar. This is where you see and edit cell contents. When you type here, it appears in the active cell. Fourth, the worksheet grid. This is where all your data lives. It's your canvas for analysis. Fifth, sheet tabs. These are at the bottom for managing multiple worksheets in one workbook. Now, Excel has over 1 million rows and more than 16,000 columns. That's a lot of space. The ribbon is organized into tabs to help you find exactly what you need without getting overwhelmed. Home tab. The Home tab is where you spend most of your time. This has all your essential formatting and data tools. Clipboard group contains cut, copy, and paste for basic editing. It also has Format Painter, which copies formatting from one cell to another instantly. Font group includes font styles and sizes to make your data readable. You have bold, italic, and underline to emphasize important information. Fill color and font color highlight cells and text. Borders create clean, professional tables. Alignment group is crucial for clean data presentation. You can align left, center, or right to position your text. Merge and center combines cells for headers. Wrap text displays long text in one cell. Orientation rotates text for column headers. Number group formats your numbers correctly. It includes number formats like general, currency, percentage, and date. Increase or decrease decimals controls precision. Accounting number format provides professional financial formatting. Styles group offers quick professional formatting. Conditional formatting automatically highlights data based on rules. Format as table creates instant professional tables. Cell styles provides pre-designed cell formats. Cells group manages your worksheet structure. Insert adds rows, columns, or cells. Delete removes rows, columns, or cells. Format adjusts row height and column width. Editing group contains powerful data tools. AutoSum instantly calculates sum, average, count, minimum, and maximum. Fill copies data down or creates series. Clear removes content formats or both. Sort and filter organizes your data. Insert tab. The Insert tab is all about adding elements to your worksheet. Tables group has pivot table, the most powerful analysis tool in Excel. Table converts data ranges into structured tables. Illustrations group lets you insert pictures from files or online. You can also add shapes, icons, and smart add for process diagrams and org charts. Charts group is essential for data analysts. There are different charts depending on the data you are presenting. Column and bar charts compare values. Line charts show trends. Pie charts display proportions. Recommended charts means Excel suggests the best chart for your data. Pivot chart creates interactive charts linked to pivot tables. Sparklines group shows tiny charts within cells, perfect for dashboards. Page layout tab. The page layout tab helps you prepare your worksheets for printing and presentation. Themes group provides pre-designed color and font combinations for consistent branding. Page setup group includes margins to set page margins. Orientation switches between portrait or landscape. Size selects paper size. Print area defines what to print. Formulas tab. The Formulas tab is your calculation command center. Function library group contains all Excel functions organized by category. Insert functions such as F or any function. AutoSum provides quick calculations. Recently used shows your most used functions. Other functions include financial, logical for conditional logic for text manipulation, date and time for date calculations, and lookup and reference. These are critical for data analysis. Formula auditing group helps you debug your formulas. Trace precedence shows which cells feed into a formula. Trace dependence shows which cells depend on this cell. Show formulas displays formulas instead of results. Error checking finds and fixes formula errors. Data tab. The Data tab is essential for importing, cleaning, and analyzing data. Get and transform data group enables on to import from databases, web, and files. From text or CSV, imports external data files, queries and connections, manages data connections. Power Query is an advanced data transformation tool. Sort and filter group includes sort A to Z for ascending sort, sort Z to A for descending sort. Filter displays only specific data. Data Tools group provides powerful analysis features. Text to columns splits data into multiple columns. Remove duplicates cleans your dataset. Data validation controls what users can enter. Consolidate combines data from multiple ranges. What if analysis includes goal seek and scenario manager. Review tab. The Review tab helps with collaboration and protecting your work. Proofing group has spelling to check your worksheet for typos. Thesaurus finds alternative modes. Comments group has new comment to add threaded discussions to cells. Protect group is essential for sharing workbooks. Protect sheet prevents editing of specific cells. Protect workbook locks workbook structure. Allow edit ranges grants specific users access to ranges. View tab. The View tab helps you customize how you see and work with your data. Workbook views group includes normal for standard view. Page break preview adjusts where pages break. Page layout shows page breaks and margins. Custom views saves different display settings. Zoom group has zoom to change magnification. 100% resets to default zoom. Window group helps you work with multiple worksheets. Freeze panes keeps rows and columns visible while scrolling. Conclusion. And that's the complete tour of Excel's Ribbon. You now know where to find every tool you need to become a data analysis pro. Thanks for watching Data Analytics with Imani. See you in the next tutorial.